Hi math friends, I'm Mrs. Dot. And this is my robot. Get ready to roll a die and exercise with us. Get your eyes and body ready. The first number that we roll 4 times wins. We'll keep count of how many we roll on this chart. Let's go.
6. Dance the salsa. 2. Kick your legs out. 1. Clap your hands. 3. Do the floss. 3. Do the floss. 5. Put your arms up. 2. Kick your legs out. 4. Drop and do a push-up. 1. Clap your hands. 3. Do the floss. 6. Dance the salsa. 2. Kick your legs out. 4. Drop and do a push-up. 3. Do the floss.
Great job. We've rolled the number 3 4 times. 3 is our winner.